YouTube, guys and gals. We're going to do some ham on the rotisserie this week, and what I'm going to do is a little bit different. So stay tuned. Alright, so what we're going to do is just make sure some of these hams actually have a plastic that they wrap it in. I don't see a plastic, so let's continue. So we're going to cut just the ends off here, like this, and then we're going to do some pretty thick slices. Now, I'm going to add pineapple. So, let's add 2 slices of pineapple per piece. We'll try to put these pineapple exactly the same way. Because we're going to put the skewers through them. And we want the pineapple to be caught in the skewer. Alright, so this is what it looks like completed. I have about 8 skewers in there. After this, we will put the rotisserie through it. Alright, as you can see here, we have the ham and pineapples on the rotisserie. I put yellow beans underneath it so that the drippings wouldn't catch on fire. I'm going to glaze the ham with honey, and also the drippings will fall onto the yellow beans and flavor them as well. We're going to cook this on the rotisserie for about an hour. That's what it looks like all done. It's been glazed with honey. Been on here about an hour. And then here's the yellow beans, which will be sweet because I put them underneath this so that the drippings wouldn't catch on fire.